Hi, this is Dave from the Big Easy Catering Company in Santa Barbara, California for ExpertVillage.com. Today we're doing a chocolate fountain, and we're to the point now where we're going to be doing the double boiler that's going to melt the chocolate for us. So we have a nice pan of simmering water. You want to do simmer, not a boil. And then you have a pan that you want to put on top. Doesn't have to fit perfectly. This happens to. So now what you want to do is you want to put your chocolate morsels in. Now you don't want anything less than 48 ounces. And what we have here is, in the previous segment, premium chocolate from Ghirardelli. So we'll pour these right in the top of the double boiler. And again, the double boiler is just so it doesn't heat the chocolate too quickly and burn it. Now even with premium chocolate you need a certain amount of oil. In this case, since this is premium, we'll use 1 cup of oil. And just pour that right over the top.